wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters reported numerous trees down in multiple locations. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Demulesville, Lexington, Athens, Arcade, Nicholson, Cummer, Winterville, Crawford, Colbert, Arnoldsville, Ela, Carlton, Maxey's, Hall, Whitehall, Athens, Clark County, Stevens, Westgate Park, Diamond Hill, and Smithonia. For your protection, move to an interior room. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your... At 5 p.m.